Hi guys, it's AlphaBlue here, the Forex billionaire, and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So guys, welcome to yet another daily GBP USD, Euro USD fundamental and technical analysis. So guys, let's get right into it. This is Euro USD on the 15 minutes time frame. So yesterday I actually took a beating from the market, the kind of beating that will make you want to go back to your risk management, make you go back to reanalyze your risk management strategy, that kind of beating. So throughout yesterday, I was looking to buy GBP I was looking to sell GBP. If you watch yesterday's analysis, which I'll drop the video on your screen at the top, you'll see that I was saying that I was looking to buy because of we had a very strong supply zone up here. We also have an imbalance right here. That price left, and then right in the beginning of London session, London open, right? We had market create this relative equal highs right here. So come on, I mean, this is like textbook kind of thing, right? Relative equal highs, imbalance right above. A lot of confidence is to make this market buy and tap into the supply zone, but it didn't, man. At some point, I was up like more than almost 2 hours, I was up in profit almost 2 hours, but then the market came back and slapped my SL. I didn't want to place it like a stop loss at my break even because I just wanted the market to move, at least take out this equal highs first before I begin to like manage my risks properly or reduce my risks. But then that didn't happen. It just came right back and hit me out like crazily. And this wasn't the most annoying part. The most annoying part was that on GBP USD, I was already of multiple positions. I actually placed multiple buy positions on GBP USD right around here. And I entered one very early because I thought the market was just going to push right up. I think around here, right? Around here. Why? Because I saw the equal highs. I saw the equal highs and I felt this push right here, it took out this liquidity. If you look closely, took out took out this liquidity. And I felt this push right here was going to give us this sweep, this liquidity sweep right here. But it still didn't happen. The market was just misbehaving, just ranging. And then at the end of the day, it sold off. So quite strange. And I think I know why the market did something like that. I've kind of noticed these days that when there's no any fundamental event, when there's no any red event on the day, the market seems to just behave in one kind of way like that. It doesn't behave properly. I guess it's because there are not a lot of institutional presence, like the big boys, the hedge funds, the banks, and all of those big traders in the industry, in the market, they kind of trade off all these red events. They use those events to move the market. So when there are no such events, the market is void of all those big players. So it's just me and you with $100, $200 trying to move the market, of which it doesn't go anywhere. It just keeps ranging. So yesterday there was no any. If we go to Forex Factory, you see that yesterday was Wednesday. There was GBP CPI in the morning, though, but that didn't even cost much. That didn't do much. So the market didn't really do anything. There was no any USD red event, like high impact news yesterday. So I guess that was one of the reasons why the market just behaved very strangely yesterday, because believe me, what the market did, unlike how it's supposed to behave. Well, it's still part of it, it's still part of the game. You don't always expect the market to behave in a certain way. The market is largely unpredictable. We just, manage our risks and predict. So today, Thursday, we have AUD news, USD news coming by 1:30. Good. Unemployment claims 1:30. Then Jerome Powell will speak around 5 p.m. So this is the kind of thing we want to see. At least this is an indication that the market will move today, unlike yesterday that there was nothing. So today now, let's go back to the chart and see what we can expect today. So today, right about now, I don't know what this market is trying to do. To be honest, I'm just going to wait and see what the market does and I follow. Higher time frame analysis, as I have shown you guys, is me expecting bearish movements. Like I'm expecting Euro USD to be bearish. I've already marked that out a long time ago. I'm waiting for it to be bearish to take out this low right here. But with what price is doing right now, I don't know which liquidity is going to be taken first. I don't know if this equal high right here is going to be taken first, or if there's too much selling pressure in this market and the market will continue to tank until it takes out this red horizontal line. So I don't know which is going to happen first. So to be honest, I'm just going to chill out and wait to see what the market does. But what I'm going to do is to mark out all the areas of liquidity on the chart and see how price reacts to it. For example, this is an area of liquidity right here. The price can potentially take out this week right here. It's an area that price can potentially go to grab liquidity. So once it's here, it could grab this liquidity and sell off, or it could grab the liquidity. So it can grab this liquidity and sell off, or it can grab the liquidity and buy to the upside. So it can grab the liquidity, come back down to some other block, then continue to the upside. So these are like the two likely scenarios that I'm expecting to see on Euro USD today. I'll really be patient today. I don't want to get wrecked like yesterday. So I'll really be patient. I'll wait for the market to give me confirmations before I enter. I'm not just going to enter anyhow today. If we go to GBP USD has kind of given me the sign that this market may not buy. It may tank. If you look at Euro USD, you'll see that Euro USD have not taken out any low, right? It has not taken out any low, but GBP USD has taken out a low right here. It has created a new low. So I likely just gonna see a sweep of liquidity, the buy side liquidity, especially this Asian high, then price will continue to the downside. So we may just see price sweep this Asian high and continue to this low, to this horizontal line. Because if you look right here, we have Asian high liquidity, right? So price may just sweep that and then continue selling to the downside. Why? Because we've gotten like a new low formed. So the price may just come down, take out this liquidity right here, all of this area marked, take it out, and potentially even continue selling all the way down here. It's very possible. But if you look at Euro USD, you see that Euro USD doesn't have this kind of setup right there. You see, Euro USD has not taken out any low. But let's just watch the market and see what it does. Then let's quickly look at DXY before we wrap this up. As always, it's good to like be looking at DXY every now and then to reference your your analysis, because DXY is inversely correlated to Euro USD and GBP USD. So that should be what will kind of give you more confidence, So this is DXY on the daily. DXY still looks very bullish, meaning that Euro USD, GBP USD should also be bearish, right? So yesterday we had a very strong bullish daily candle, and there's this liquidity to be grabbed. Right now, to be honest, I feel that we're just going to see more bears in Euro USD and GBP USD. We may not see it push up to the upside to take any liquidity. Why? Because if you look at this DXY has given us a sign that it has cleared all the sell side liquidity. First one to be cleared here, right? Cleared this, then took out this week again. So you see, took out this week again. So right now, there's almost no liquidity that this market will come all the way down here to take out. The nearest liquidity that this market will want to grab is this one at the top here, right? So that's why at most we may see it come down here before it pushes to the upside. So we may see it do like this. So if this is going to happen on DXY, you expect the opposite to happen on Euro USD and GBP USD. So this is what I think should happen in the XY, because the obvious liquidity to be taken is this one right here. So we may just get a sweep down here, then continues up. I check the 2 hour single stoppage, 1 hour. So it may not even come all the way down here. It may just sweep this particular one here. May just take this particular one. May just take this one and go back up. And here, this particular liquidity aligns perfectly with the Asian low, right? Aligns with the Asian low. So it may just grab Asian low liquidity and then push up. So if this happens, that means you're expecting Euro USD, GBP USD to grab Asian high and push down. But it doesn't really happen exactly. Sometimes you may get a higher push on Euro USD or GBP USD. So I think the scenario that is likely going to play out is the first one I drew out, this particular one, this particular scenario. I'm no longer going to be keen on this eagle eyes. Anything when the market want to do me do, I don't really send this thing again. What I'm just going to be looking out for is just to see that the market takes out this, then I'll look for selling opportunity to sell it to lose here, or even potentially target this low here. So that's it for today's analysis. I hope this was helpful to you. I hope this was impactful. I hope you got value from this. So if you did, don't forget to like the video, smash the like button, guys, and subscribe to this channel for more. So I'm going to be putting out more content henceforth. I'm going to be starting a Forex reality series. I'm also going to be starting a prop firm series. So I will starting a prop firm series today. So you should check out for this series. The prop firm series is actually about me like growing my portfolio. I want to embark on a journey to $1 million in funding. Okay, I'm coming, bro. So I'm gonna embark on a journey to I'll be embarking on a journey to like accumulate up to $1 million in funding, and I want to document all of that. So that's the problem series. Then the Forex reality series is me like telling you the reality in Forex. No, I'm not going to be selling any dream, just to tell you the fact, the truth that most mentors, most people trying to sell you courses are not going to tell you, right? So you should definitely subscribe and watch out for that. And if you want to join my Telegram community, you can check the description of this video. You will find the link to my Telegram. Hope I see you in the next one, guys. So cheers and bye-bye.